Hey, Jeffrey, you like dogs? You like dogs?
Shut up, listen.
I love dogs.
Not like that.
You
You like dogs.
You like dogs?
You like dogs?
Oh, you mean dogs.
Oh, you mean dogs. I like dogs.
Hey, so what happened with those fools when you were giving them high fives? Did they say
Oh, I
anything?
was slapping their hands and shit. I was like, oh, we'll get you next time, you know?
But what did they say after? They didn't say anything? They didn't remark or comment or anything? I was waiting for them to say, yeah, you guys fucking suck.
Because you guys suck.
No.
You're not gonna win next time.
Whooped us.
They whooped the shit out of
But
us.
we're gonna whoop your ass
Fuck,
next
hey,
time.
No, you won't.
Rivalry.
They're gonna whoop you again.
Versus the Strikeout Kings.
You're going
We're gonna kick your ass.
Yeah.
down.
We're gonna have a
You're on their
rivalry.
shit list.
Yeah, we're gonna have a rivalry
You
with
made
all of them.
it to the, what is it called? Like the hoodlums when they have a shit list?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey,
See that your name's on there.
hey, that's why we're what?
The hoodlums.
Yeah.
I don't know my shirt's on.